Namaste. Welcome to Made in Heaven Matrimonial. We cater to Indians living in abroad who are above the age of 40 and seeking a life partner. Our mission is to introduce eligible singles and materialize relationships that already made in heaven.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम भारत है. I'm looking for a life partner, and in my life partner, I'm looking the lady who religiously believes in the Indian culture. I see in America, many influence of Western culture to our Indian culture, and people not believing in Indian culture. And you know what? I earn very good, and my wife, she will not have to work. The wife has to make my house beautiful, receive me at home with open arms, and cook for me, and participate in all religious activities at the temple, and participate in all religious activities like Garba, Diwali parties, and all other Indian festivals that celebrates in the temple. And most importantly, I want her to wear only sari.
Hello, I'm Namrata. No way am I going to be wearing only saris. वैसे तो मैं बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ और अपनी देखभाल खुद कर सकती हूँ. But you know what? I just wanted to see the men out there. After marriage, I don't want कि मैं घर पर कैद होकर रहूं. I want to be equal to the man in the house. So, I'm looking for a man who believes and respects women. Today, women are in par with men, and we even have our first woman vice president in America. This says a lot about the capability of a woman. Don't you agree?
Hi, I'm Venkat, software engineer settled in America. I am looking for a life partner who is, how can I say, who is simple and sober. Means it should be sharing my responsibilities and duties. Yes, I know. I agree. In this age, men and women are equal. So I'll be doing my part, sharing and helping in washing, cooking, etc. Our life should be like, how can I easily say, like Samsung phones and Android together. I don't want my wife to say that she will go to parties and parlors only with her friends, etc. Okay, no. Basically, I want a simple, happy married life, sharing all the responsibilities at home. Looking forward to hearing from you.
Hi, my name is Radha. I'm very simple, as you can see. And I'm single too. I'm a very religious person, I go to temple every Sunday. बस एक बार ये शादी हो जाए, मुझे भी कोई एसआर के टाइप वाला मिले जो मुझसे बहुत प्यार करे, मेरे लिए चांद सितारे तोड़ लाए, मेरे लिए गाने गाए. I'm a very simple person, but उसके लिए मैं बन ठन के बैठूं. We'll go to parties together, we'll go to restaurants together. It will be so much fun. I can't wait to get married. And I'm so looking forward to meeting you.
Hello. My name is Dolly. कपड़े खरीदना, तैयार होना, शॉपिंग और माय हॉबीज. जब मैं निकलती हूँ ना, सब देखते हैं मुझे. बट कोई स्टेबल आदमी तो होना चाहिए ना. You know, age is just a number and not a barrier for me. And मैं जॉब तो करना ही नहीं चाहती, but I will support my partner in whatever profession he's pursuing. I enjoy my life and I want someone with a good sense of humor who can show me around the world. And bye-bye.
I'm a normal guy who's looking to get married. I like all kinds of women because I think they are all beautiful. I have a normal life, go and meet friends, hang out, and watch movies. I'm looking for women who enjoys watching movie with me and with whom I can start a family.
मेरा नाम शबनम है। आप मुझे शब्बू भी बुला सकते हैं। I am a model and an aspiring actress. I have worked on several commercials on TV. You must have seen that, don't you? I like to work out in the gym and take care of myself. I am looking for a dark, tall, handsome man with whom I will have a good connection. He should know how to pamper a glamorous lady, जो मैं हूँ. I would prefer to go for a dinner for our first date and then gateway to a beach. Could know each other better. If you think you are my man, please reach to me. Bye.
वो परी कहाँ से लाऊं, तेरी दुल्हन जिसे बनाऊं, कि गोरी कोई पसंद आए तुझको, कि छोरी कोई पसंद आए